Good morning, class. This morning we are going to be looking at the topic fact and opinion. Can anybody tell me what is a fact? Something that is true, very good. And what is an opinion? Opinion, do you think it's opinion? Definitely. Somebody give me advice. Opinion. Alright, I'm going to put some examples on the board, and maybe you can tell me, or maybe you get the idea as to what an opinion means. So, as Brianna said, fact is something true, right? Read the first sentence. The second one. And the last one. So, the sky is blue. Is that true? So that is a chocolate is the best flavor. Is that true? How we know it is true? But if I don't like sweet, so chocolate is the best flavor is somebody's opinion about chocolate. It's not necessarily true, because if I don't like sweet, if I don't like chocolate, it would not be the best flavor for me. So number 2 is an example of an opinion. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Is that true? Good. So we have number 1 being a fact, something that is proven to be true. Number 2, chocolate is the best flavor. It's an opinion because it's what we think or how we feel about something. And water boils at 100 degrees Celsius is true. So it is a fact. Number 2 is an opinion, and number 3 is a fact. So, what do we think is an opinion? Something that we like. Good, how you feel about something. I'm going to put the 2 definitions on the board. Please copy. something that can be proven true or false, and an opinion is something that you cannot prove true or false. It's how you feel or how you think about something, right? Copy that quickly. We have two more examples here. Paris is the capital of France. That is true. So the fact is, Paris is the capital of France, like Georgetown is the capital of Guyana. And the opinion here now is Paris is the most beautiful city. So that is how somebody feels, or that is how somebody thinks about Paris. That is the most beautiful city. But maybe somebody else might think that Bolivia is a beautiful city, or Georgetown is a beautiful city. So that is why it cannot be a fact, right? Y'all think y'all understand fact and opinion? What is a fact? Something that is true. An opinion, the way you feel about something. What? Please write the name of the page. For our activity here, we have 14 sentences. You're going to read each one and write whether the sentence is a fact or an opinion. It has enough space to write out the entire word. Remember when you're answering the activity sheet, fact is something that is true, that you can prove to be true or false, and an opinion is the way somebody feels or think about something. You can't prove that it is necessarily true or false. Are you sorry, yeah? Everybody ready to start the activity? No? You say no? I'm not seeing well. Sentence number 1. Sunday is the best day of the week, right? Whether it's a fact or an opinion. Sunday is the best day of the week. George Washington was born in February. George Washington was born in February. Right then, whether it's a fact or an opinion. Number 3, Memorial Day is the most important holiday of the year. Memorial Day is the most important holiday of the year. George Washington was born in February. Number 4, Thanksgiving is celebrated in autumn. Thanksgiving is celebrated in autumn. Break number 5. Some families eat turkey on Thanksgiving. Some families eat turkey on Thanksgiving. Number 6, watching fireworks on the 4th of July is lots of fun. Watching fireworks on the 4th of July is lots of fun. Number 7, April is a month with 30 days. April is a month with 30 days. Number 8, there are 12 months in the year. There are 12 months in the year. Number 9, been a terrible week. This has been a terrible week. Susanna and Alicia will bring fact and opinion. A fact is something that is proven that we can prove to be true or false, whereas an opinion is how somebody feel or think about something. So the activity here is to read the sentences and write whether they are fact or if they are opinion. Number 10, spring is the most beautiful season of all. Spring is the most beautiful season of all. Number 11. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are weekdays. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are weekdays. Number 12. The first day of the school year is scary. The first day of the school year is scary. Number 13. Everyone should make Valentine's Day cards. Everyone should make Valentine's Day cards. And the last sentence, your birthday comes only one day a year. Your birthday comes only one day a year. Take a few minutes, look over your answers, and then we'll discuss and you can go over your practicals after. Good, let's go. Number 1. Sunday is the best day of the week. Is that a fact or is it an opinion? Who said fact? Put up your hand. 1, 2, 3. Who's the opinion? Opinion is correct. Suppose Sunday and Friday whole day. Well, how do we do this? It's how I feel about Sunday, so it's an opinion, right? George Washington was born in February. Fact or opinion? Fact, because if you check his birth date with his driver's license, you can see that it's either true or false. It's something that you can prove, so it's a fact. Memorial Day is the most important holiday of the year. Fact or opinion? It's a fact. It's an opinion. Suppose I feel that Christmas is the most important holiday of the year. So, Memorial Day, opinion, because that's how the person feels about the holiday. Thanksgiving is celebrated in autumn. Fact or opinion? Good. Fact. Some families eat turkey on Thanksgiving. Fact. Because when you see some families eating turkey on Thanksgiving, y'all never watch them Thanksgiving movies? So we could get over it. And they didn't say all families, they said some families, right? Good. Watching fireworks on the 4th of July is lots of fun. Watching fireworks on the 4th of July is lots of fun. Opinion, very good. April is a month with 30 days. Fact, lovely. There are 12 months in the year. This one we're supposed to know this since nursery school. Fact. This has been a terrible week. But spring is the most beautiful season of all. Opinion. Or some people might think winter is the most beautiful season. Some people might think summer is the most beautiful season. So it's an opinion. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are weekdays. Fact. 7 days of the week. Oh my, yes, right. The first day of the school year is scary. Opinion. Good. For some persons might think it's fun, some persons might think it's exciting. So it's an opinion. Everyone should make Valentine's Day cards. Opinion. And your birthday comes only one day a year. Fact. Lovely. So, Kennedy, tell me one thing you learned this morning. What about opinion and fact? True or false? You could prove that it's either true or a lie. The way you feel about something. Angeli, did you learn this morning? I may want to hear say anything like when they go, Kennedy said. You learn nothing? You learn. Opinion is something that you cannot prove. Destiny, what you learned this morning? You learn what is opinion and fact. What is opinion and fact? And fact, no? Something that you can't prove, right? Good. Thank you.